Open my eyes?
Okay.
What is it?
Oh, no, don't. Open the red thing first. Like, take this stuffing out, and then the one wrapped in red stuffing, open it.
Ooh, a book. Thank you. What else?
Just open.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How long have you
I
had
thought you read the book.
I did, but then I was a little confused. How long have you had both?
Since yesterday.
Well, I know you did one yesterday, but you took two yesterday?
I took one yesterday and one today.
Wow.
Dad, open it.
No, no.
It's okay, you just leave it in there.